In the mini POV camera line, we have different options available, right? So we have as small as an inch and a half. They're all the same 16:9 HD sensors. So you can go up to 1080p 50, 1080i 50, or 720p 50. Interchangeable lenses on the 502 and the 505. What we do on the 502 is we have HD SDI output, interchangeable lenses. On the 505 we step up and have an additional HDMI output, simultaneous output, but also audio embedding ability. And then our 565 is the same as the 505, only we add Genlock ability where you can tri-level sync cameras together for seamlessly switch. We have a lens option for every field of view requirement. The widest angle is about 126-degree angle of view, but all the way out to 50 millimeters. The 300 series, you start with the CV343. The CS mount gives you some varifocal ability. So you can have a 2.2 to 6, a 5 to 50 millimeter, but the idea is you adjust as you set up, and then you lock and leave it once you achieve the field of view you want. The 345 is the same camera, same sensor, same everything, but we added the HDMI ability as a secondary output, as well as a audio embedding ability. And then the 365, again, step up feature sets, has that Genlock ability. So all of these cameras have Sony Visca command infrastructure. So you in the 502, you control things like color, brightness, pedestal, change resolutions, and you can do all of that without the menu coming up, or use the joystick that's on the back of the camera to pull up the menu and manipulate it. And then we move up to our PTZ cameras. This is actually our 4K, which is a UHD 25 frames per second. HD base T and HDMI simultaneous output. HD base T allows that one cable to camera solution, so which will carry POH, 48 volt, uncompressed video up to 4K for 300 feet or 100 meters. You can control from our VS-PTC200 controller, control any one of our PTZ or zoom block cameras. On the CV620, we added the ability of IP. So this is a full HD, up to 1920 by 1080p with a 3G SDI, simultaneous HDMI output, as well as an IP signal, PoE capability, compressed video. But if you're going over an IP network or you're controlling a camera in New York from Sydney, right, that'll give you that ability.